Guys, we are super excited, to have you guys here today. We are so excited. We have broken 51,000 on Bitcoin. Way to go, guys. I want to talk about the details, how we broke through it. Guys, huge level indicated. Cross resistance, I would say. Let me plug into the to your stream here. We have some cool features today to go over in terms of TradingView. Guys, you are going to love the information on TradingView. I hope that you pay attention. Settle in if you can for 5-10 minutes. It won't be a long stream. I know you guys are definitely in during your weekend, but guys, the TradingView setup that I have for you guys, wait until you see it. Just wait until you see it. It's going to be very nice. Let's cover Bitcoin in the beginning. First of all, I want to shout out to the VIP and shout out to Angel. Angel, I hope you're doing well. I'm so excited. We have entered into a position, guys, a little over $250,000 in Bitcoin right now. What we have done here, let me pull this over just so you guys can see. We had this previous resistance level, okay, this prior resistance that was indicated at this position in and around the 51,000. You guys know that in and around the really around the 50. Different time frames will give you different kind of a different take on that. We have broken out above that, and guys, we broke out above it handily in good fashion. Let's go down to the smaller time frames if we can, and you guys just hold around. If you're just getting in the room, make sure you hit the like button. We have spent some time going through a setup for TradingView. If you guys want some additional TradingView tips and you want some different techniques, wait until you see the TradingView technique. You will be impressed, guys. I don't know many other people who have that setup. So as we look at the run up, okay, this breakthrough, this specific position, guys, that we have been waiting for this breakout. I have been indicating to you guys this is the level that I would like to see beat. Excuse me. We're on a different setup today. This was the level that we would like to see beat. And guys, Bitcoin just smashed, absolutely hammered through that level. Literally, it seems like with a little bit of intention, decided to literally just roil through that right at about. And guys, right where that was, you guys know that was my key level I had expressed throughout the entirety of the last few streams. You'll look at this and bam, look at that nice move to the upside. Definitely, just clearly indicated. Wouldn't you agree? I mean, look at that move up, guys. Just a nice spike in the price. Would definitely say, let's look at from right at 51, guys. Started at just under about 50,950, and it just shot up right through the roof, right through that key level that I wanted to see it see a trajectory. So that's very nice. Currently at about 50. We won't have to say 41, 40 or 40s at all. Hopefully, 51,647. So looking at that now, we can go through some chart formations. I want to talk with you guys a little bit. Hit the like button if you just shown up. I want to talk with you about TradingView real quickly. I want to go through some details on TradingView. A lot of you are looking at buying altcoins. You don't know which altcoin to buy, right? You're stuck and you're looking at 15 or 20 different ones. Guys, I want to talk about, sorry about the microphone if it was too loud. I want to talk about Krypto Screener. Krypto Screener, guys. Krypto Screener is what? Krypto Screener is on TradingView. Go and make sure that on tradingview.com/crypto-screener/ okay, what does that do? Krypto Screener will take all of your cryptos, all of the ones in your watch list. I want you guys to pay attention. I know you have like 30 or 40 or 50 that you're looking at, or 5 or 10 or whatever, or even the one. And you want to know when is it going to go, et cetera. When can you buy the dip? When are you too high on the RSI? Guys, look on the right-hand side. Do you see the hundreds of altcoins that I filter through frequently to bring you guys ideas? Now, last night I brought my favorite one. The one I loved was Filecoin, right? What was it? Well, today it went up 25%, right? Way to go, guys. Very nice. You guys played some other, I think Freddie in the back had up to 6 trades. Very, very nice. So in terms of Krypto Screener, I just want to bring you the information and to show you guys that it will automatically filter all of your cryptos. Ta-da! Hello. Isn't this nice, guys? You can literally set relative strength index at or equal, above or equal, below or equal. I want it below 30. Guys, hello. I'd like all of my cryptos sorted immediately, and I'd like to know when any of them are below 30 on the 4-hour. I think that's something that's going to be extremely beneficial. Guys, you can set all the parameters in here, just so you know. You can set everything from negative directional indicators to, guys, you can go exponential moving averages. You can go whatever you'd like to see automatically sorted in terms of any technical indicator that is in TradingView, guys. We'll get back to Bitcoin in 1 second. This is a special feature on TradingView, so you guys can sort through all your altcoins. Guys, if I want to change, for instance, and I've set this up and programmed it, Instead of, let's say, at or below 40 on the RSI, well, I think I'd like to see at or below, let's just say 50. Let's say 50. Okay. Well, now I have everything that's at or below 50 on the RSI, right? I can tighten that up and say, well, I'd like to buy in around 30, right? It's down around 30, something like that. And what I would say is, okay, well, let's tighten that up a little bit. Okay, well, now that's in and below 40 out of my whole list on the hourly. Do you see that, guys? I can change it to the 4 hour. I can change it to the 10 minute. Or the 15 minute. I can change it to the 5 minute. You guys see this? Krypto Screener. Hit the like button if you like this content. If you guys would like to see more tricks of the trade in terms of how you guys can successfully trade crypto, how you can sort through 1,000 cryptos in 1 second with one fell swoop, guys. I want to do this because I want you to focus on Bitcoin, guys. I want you to focus on the key player, Bitcoin. This, I don't want you to take your whole day in terms of looking through altcoins and looking through altcoins. Guys, you can do it in 2 seconds. Okay, so once you set this up, it's automatic. I can switch from the 1 hour to the 30 minute. Yeah, and the list should expand. There's more at the 30 minute. Okay, there's more. The list should expand again as I go to the 15 minute. There should be more, correct, that are under 40 in the RSI. I can adjust that on guys. I can adjust this for anything of any of the technical indicators. The Krypto Screener is going to pull some cash into your books. Okay, so I hope you guys are listening. I hope you're able to put together Krypto Screener, and I hope you appreciate the information that I'm bringing you guys in addition to the Bitcoin information, etc. And guys, we're working a lot in the back, working on setting up facilities in terms of setting up, the kind of the program, the control HQ, etc. How this can be done better, right? How can it be done better? Is you have a wall next to you when you trade, right? Yeah, you have a screen, you have something next to you. Well, this is a nice thing after you've set your indicators up for buy positions with the technical expressions that you have set. With those indicators you have set, I like it under 30. I like you pick your own. You pick your own. Excuse me. You pick your own RSIs. You pick your own, whether your time frames on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, whatever you want to do. Maybe you scan for the 4 hour. You're like, okay, I like the 4 hour. Maybe you use MACD as well. Maybe you use MA crossovers, etc. So whatever you're doing, guys, the Krypto Screener is going to help you tremendously. I'm very glad to be able to bring that information to you. Back to Bitcoin, okay? So the good thing about Bitcoin, we have said we like the price action because, it allows you a little bit of a lifestyle as well. It's just, it's kind of slow. It does like to spike. We got a spike today. You guys know that. I hope you appreciate that Krypto Screener. We'll go through some more details on that. In terms of this spike that we got in this key level right at that was exactly indicated, exactly where we wanted to see the price action, guys, up about 2% since that key level of 51,000, right? So we're going to be looking for positive price action. The important thing about this level, guys, I just want to talk about this, also on the kind of a cross indicated, and I think we can maybe I don't want to say draw some conclusions, but we have seen so many altcoins, guys, so many altcoins that have gone this direction and have screamed to the upside. You guys know we're starting to see that pattern, this huge trajectory to the upside for some of these leading altcoins, the hot alts, right? So as we look at that, I am looking for a reason as to why we wouldn't see that on Bitcoin. Bitcoin sometimes likes to move a little bit more slowly, correct? But why would we be seeing this expression throughout the entirety of the market with the altcoins, with certain coins? Guys, we're seeing the same flag formation after this retracement down into, this falling wedge formation. And then we're seeing this huge trajectory on these altcoins, and now it's really gotten to the point you guys are searching for your altcoins. It's like, what do you want to make money on? And I want to just challenge you guys. Yes, there are leaders right now that have already gone up. Angel and I crushed the Luna trade. You guys know, I think that was the market leader. Very, very excited. Hats off to Angel on that. We got the targets in, and guys, it just I think it beat every other coin. So we're excited about that. We're excited about that for the group. It's a great dynamic for Angel and I to be able to bring to you guys that we crushed the market. I mean, that was literally, I think that's the number one trade. Maybe on a smaller coin or something, maybe something else happened. That's been the biggest trade of, and I'm not bragging. This is our group. This is all of us, guys. This is the team, right? So as we look at that, that's what you guys have here, right? That's just, it's awesome. It's really awesome. I'm really excited about that this year. We can look back at that. Any discussions we have, you can say that, we crushed this, one trade, period. That's been the best trade. We can find, others. Sol's been nice. Some others have been nice. We hit VeChain the other day. It was a quick hit. I just, I let the group know VeChain, and bam, 15% 15% overnight. Filecoin was my favorite last night. I told people I love Filecoin. If you guys haven't looked at it, I just like this videos. I like the way they put it together, and very professional, right? So, and then bam, we went up today at 25%, right? So very, very nice in terms of those returns. The timing is essential. I want to let you guys know it takes like 6 hours. I want to let you guys know it takes me 6 hours, literally 6 hours right here to go through the market and really find the one that's going to hit for like 25%. Okay, I just want to let you guys know that. It's not like, oh, I want to tune in and I want my information or I'm going to leave. Okay, at some point I'm like, well, okay, what, you can leave. Maybe you go do your 6 hours of research and you try and consistently, and you can. If you do the work, you definitely can. If you guys like to hear those calls in the back, make sure you hit the like button. That's just important to me as I gauge how much you guys need information like that. Maybe you have your own technique or your own kind of theory as it applies to things. We think hard work is a big component of market success, and we're not going to stop regardless of the market status. So in terms of this, again, I'm trying to find a reason logically. I'm trying to rationalize why this would not continue to the upside, because I'm seeing it so many times through the altcoins right now. So to expect a variability, like a level of variation on Bitcoin, after we've seen that pattern really play itself out with the altcoins, is kind of counterintuitive. I have to say that. It seems a little bit counterintuitive, a little bit, I just say you'd have to be a contrarian to kind of make a mismatch between, yes, altcoins and Bitcoin. That I understand the difference there, but it's just definitely the market is expressing that to us. So as I look at that in terms of the position currently in it, the current price, let's just see, 51,740. The one thing I would always say is, like, to anyone who asks me, it's like an initial, potential point of exposure. If you're looking at investing in Bitcoin, then pick yourself 2 levels below. If it was at 45,000, I told people maybe at 30,000 and 15, mentally go ahead and step into the fact you'd want to put like 5 times the amount of money in at like 30,000, and then like maybe 10 times the amount of money at like 15, just in case it ever went there, just to prepare people, not to not to throw in everything in the savings, not, being reasonable, but expecting that upside. Again, I'm still studying this, looking for a reason, and I can't find one why this would frustrate here when all the other alts are just taking their turn and just dramatically going to the upside. The good thing about Bitcoin, it will handle heavy cash, guys. It will handle heavy levels of exposure. So we will do a quick regroup on what I brought to you guys today, this Krypto Screener. Guys, this is Krypto Screener with TradingView, allowing you to sort any and all. Guys, you can use this. I do have the Premium Pro edition of TradingView. But what this allows you to do is take all of your altcoins and say, yeah, I want to look at anything that's at or below 30 on the RSI on the 15-minute time frame. TRB USD is the only one that is below 30 on the RSI. Okay, so bam, I get a filter of the 300 plus coins I have, and immediately I'm ready to engage on a trade. So I wanted to let you guys know that Krypto Screener, it's tradingview.com/crypto-screener/. Okay, so get into that. Let's work the technicals. Let's work on programming the technicals. And guys, let's just keep beating the market. As I share this information with you guys, I could keep it. I could charge for it. I could do things like that. I don't want to do that. I want you guys to be the best. You tune in to listen to me. We powwow all the time in the back. Me and Angel are constantly discussing new and better ideas to make your lives better, to enrich your lives, to try and add wealth to your lives. So as we look at this, guys, just understand, like, if I have good ideas as I have them to bring them to you, I just want you guys to appreciate it and just to go after it and set it up and make that a screen next to you. Get that Krypto Screener next to you. You get the Bitcoin right in front of you. Get the Krypto Screener constantly. It'll automatically update. It will throw you literally consistently. You want to talk about pro setup? Yeah, it will throw you consistently RSIs that are under 30 if you program it to. Anything, just throughout the day. As you're saying, you take a seat down, well, what's up? Nothing right now. Hang out a little bit, maybe talk on the phone. It's going to do the work for you and literally throw you anything. You can set up MACD. You can set up, guys, all different types of technical indicators. I won't tell you which ones to set up because I know you have your own setup. But guys, it's huge. If you have a screen constantly feeding you things that are under 30 on the RSI on whichever time frame you want, hello, how you doing? Yeah, no more searching and hunting and pecking and spending hours and days trying to find. We're going to eliminate that work. So that's our goal, is to try and make you more profitable, bring you accurate information in a timely. And I think this is timely because all the alts are blowing up. So a lot of people are spending, and we spent a lot of time yesterday, and I've been doing that to spend, to try and bring big trades. I've been doing that every day, but it's like, well, we can only have so many days where it's just, okay, here's another one. Okay, everyone gets 20%. Okay, here's another one. Everyone gets 10, 15%. We can keep doing that, but I can also teach you guys how to do that and make sure that you guys can powerhouse that up in terms of your profitability. So that is our goal. And I appreciate you guys tuning in for a bit. I'm glad we broke that 51,700 right now. Again, we're prepared to double and triple down at lower levels. I just want to see this crank to the upside. So in terms of an initial position, if people want to put in a big amount to Bitcoin, go ahead and roll with it. Go ahead and we are moving up. We are moving up. Be prepared to double and triple down at lower levels. There's a lot of volatility. We love the volatility. I'll tell you, if you can maximize your volume at a lower level, you're going to be happy you did. So when we caught this under 30, this ascending triangle under 30 at this level, yeah, that was nice, guys. It's been it's been a phenomenal gain since then. It's taken some time consolidating here at the top, but guys, you're up over 70% and around 70%. We'll take it, right? So congratulations, everybody trading, guys. This is London with the Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. We will talk to you soon, and we will try to do a little bit more coordinated in terms of the streaming this week. We'll try and lay that out as best we can, but I'm also trading, so I need to kind of, I need to separate that and make sure I can focus on trading. Doing the two is a little difficult, so we appreciate you. If anyone wants to step up at all in the channel or the subscribers and says, hey, I want to be more of a part of the Bitcoin Spike or part of Crypto Kingdom, or I'd like to be a part more of the channel in the back room, kind of helping delegate the rooms, or I'd like to do that, I think this would be fun. You guys let us know, okay? You guys just let us know, and you can contact me in the back. You can follow me at Twitter at Bitcoin Spike or The Kingdom, and just hit me a DM, hit me a response to the first pinned tweet if that interests you at all. We look forward to you guys being more part of the market and more part of Bitcoin. We're so excited that we broke through that 51,000. This is London with Crypto Kingdom. You guys have a great rest of your weekend.